7th of April, beautiful day. First barbie of the year. Remember I said I was a king of the grill. No matter what, no matter where, I can grill it up. Well, since then, I moved to Ireland and I became a vegan. So starting off with some corn on the cob. What I've done is I've just put some salt and pepper on there. A little bit of butter inside, wrapped it up in foil. Then I got some asparagus, parsnips and leeks sliced up. Seasoned with salt, pepper and olive oil. And I'm just going to whack the lid on that. We're just sitting open so it can still breathe and burn in there. And we have some vegan sausages, hot and spicy vegan chicken burgers, mozzarella burgers. So look. So I just had a total smart ass point out that it's not vegan if it's got butter in the corn. No name's Molly Sweeney. And then I got the veg ready. And then the last of it, some burgers and sausages cooking here. Hot and fresh out the kitchen. I changed my mind a bit. Instead of honey, using dark chocolate. Cut them open. I'm literally just stabbing it in there. I'm going to close it. That's the main course done. Just going to whack 3 bananas on there whilst we eat. And I'm going to cut them open and put some honey in there. Dessert. And let it melt.